We will now look at discriminatory abuse. The definition is, this form of abuse can be incorporated in all other forms of abuse, including all forms of mistreatment due to a person's race, gender, disability, faith, culture, human traits, or sexual orientation. Discriminatory abuse is the misuse of authority to deny the vulnerable adult of their basic human rights. The vulnerable adult can be left feeling frightened and that they are at risk of being harmed. Discriminatory abuse can be where a person's cultural or religious needs are not considered and the provision of care is not equally provided for the individual person. Examples of discriminatory abuse are experiences discriminatory jokes and slurs, sizist, ageist, sexist, racist insults, insults relating to a variety of disabilities, for example, learning, mentally, physically, sensory, appearance, person treated differently from others in the setting, for example, care home staff regularly giving more food to one person than another, a vulnerable person experiencing blame for something that they didn't do, excluded, denied access to a variety of services. Physical indicators can be anxious, depressed, lonely, reserved, experiencing change in weight, i.e. loss, displaying changes in character, examples being irritation, loss of confidence, annoyance. Further information can be found in the following documents: Equality Act 2010, Care Act 2014, on www.legislation.gov.uk website.